Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two of the measures of triangle are 25 degree and 96 degree. Find the remaining angle. Here we have given that the measures of a triangle are 25 degree and 96 degree. We have to find the remaining angle. Let x degree be the remaining angle as we know that sum of the measures of triangle means sum of the measure of angles of triangle are 180 degree. Sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So sum of this, that is 25 degree plus 96 degree plus x degree, is 180 degree. 25 degree plus 96 degree is 121 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. Subtract both the sides from 120 means subtract 121 from both the sides, we get x degree equals to 180 degree minus 121 degree, that is 59 degree. Hence measure of the remaining angle is 59 degree. And from available options, we have option C as 59 degree.